Life is always passing us by without a second glance. We do not get the time back. It is our most precious possession that dwindles with every passing second. We only have a certain amount of time on this planet. We need to take the time to enjoy the scenery and also live our lives to the fullest. Life has a weird way of going about itself. It has a windy path that has unpredictable obstacles. So while you can't decide how your path will go, but you can choose a direction to push it in. An opportunity is never lost, just found by someone else. So take the time to choose the direction of your path and never give up. An opportunity, because by not trying something you could be killing the chance for another great feature to your life. Opportunity comes in and out of your life every day. It is your choice to grasp it or let it slip through your fingers.
I mean, what is this even about? I'm so confused right now, guys. I mean, I thought y'all were supposed to be finding beauty in things that aren't conventionally beautiful. This is very disappointing. And then you have Derek over there like, what? I was hoping to be inspired by some of these videos, but ugh. Actually, I lie. You have inspired me. You inspired me to write a poem. You ready? You ready? When I was younger, growing up every year for my mom's birthdays and for the anniversaries, I would give them a card, make a card, and I would write a poem inside of it. And it started off the same way. Probably until I was like 15 years old. It started off with, roses are red, violets are blue. No, I'm not making this up. No lie. So that's how I'm going to do it with y'all. You ready? Let me think. Okay. Roses are red, violets are blue. It's really obvious your group did not know what to do. But Samson said, y'all videoed duck poop. Guys, this whole video really makes me blue. Now back to your normally scheduled video.